Alright, thank you for joining me. Here I am going to be adding a new, well, not new to me, SSD. In order to do that, there's 4 screws on the bottom of this Dell PC, as you can see here. Take off all 4. As soon as you have all 4 off, don't lose the screws, the 2.5 hard drive can come out. Now there's one more screw left on the hard drive that keeps the little plastic piece on. You need to take that off as well, as so. And that is a 320 hard drive, and I'm changing it out for a SSD. So you could see there, check out the sizes and see what they were. Make sure you put it on correctly. There's a little hole on the side that needs to go in first, and then you could slide the other side on, which the other side is the side that will need the screw. And these are very tiny screws. They're a little difficult to handle, but you guys can do it. Make sure everything's there, facing the same way, and then it's just the 4 screws on. I think the hardest part too is making sure you line up the plastic piece so that way it fits back flush. Now we can screw these back in. Doesn't take too long. And then we flip it over. Now I've already pre-installed a USB drive, like so, with Windows Updater. I redid Windows on that old hard drive, and I'm going to redo it for this new SSD. So here we are starting the laptop. I'm first trying it with the special login. I wanted to check BIOS and all that other such, and to run off the USB. But as I'm going, it's not working. I even had my brother reformat this drive on his PC because I only have Macs, and it's still not working. So this computer does not take SSD for some reason. So back to the drawing board.